But thank you so much, Dr. Parmeshwar, for sharing those tips. Shalini, anything you want to share before we end the session? Anything for our viewers out there?
Yeah, just one little thing. Like I'm sure all of our Sandal viewers would relate to something which is called the Batna. So Batna is something we do for removing hair for newborns.
Yeah.
Something after Holi to take out the color.
Hmm.
It's also on festivals I think people use it. So it's a mix of mustard oil, a little bit of besan, and yogurt and a little lime. So you make a thick paste of it and kind of just use it as a body scrub.
Yep.
So again, that's something which works beautifully, leaves your skin really shining. It's better than any other wrap or a body scrub you would take at any parlor.
Thank you so
So
much, Shalini. I think that's a great tips for all the youngsters out there. They can try it. Try to follow it. Thank you, Dr. Parmeshwar, for taking up the time and joining us today. Thank you so
Welcome,
much,
Prerna.
Shalini, for joining us. Thank you, Ishi. She's not here with us right now, but thank you for joining in. Special thanks to our presenters today, P. Mark Master Doyle, the Master Specialist. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you all again. Thank you.
thank you, Prerna. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.